Sa mga mahiyaing dyan, iisip ninyo na ang isang project hindi safe na mag-open. Kahit sino pa ang nagmamadaling mag-open, you need to learn to stand your ground and say no. Not because you are difficult to work with, but because you know yung safety ng ibang tao is at risk. Kagaya ngayon, we're trying to open a new entrance, pero pagdating ko doon, yung mga line painting ay stickers lang, yung mga reflective stickers. Tapos ilang na-miss na isang curb na dapat mawala. As you drive in, you will hit that curb, and they're saying na pwede na silang mag-open, lalagyan lang daw ng reflective painting. Oh, how can you let them open? So I just said no, I am sorry, we can't open it due to safety. At yan ang reminder ko sa inyo na hindi ibig sabihin na nag-no kayo sa isang bagay ay masama o pangit na ang ugali nyo o mahirap na kayong katrabaho. You just want to be safe and you're just doing your job. I hope you have a beautiful day.